one last question from my side कि कोई एक ऐसा चीज, anything that you see it as a disadvantage of this particular field, because everything has an advantage and a disadvantage. So what is the thing that you see as a disadvantage here?
See, the main you don't have a directly patient interaction. अगर if you want कि मैं OPD में जाके बैठूं, I should see a patient, I should write a prescription and then go, ये आपको ये ब्रांच में नहीं मिलेगा, never. Yeah, there are some hospitals like in Tata. I have just listened. I have never seen that in Tata there are hemoglobinopathy clinics, hemophilia clinics, sickle cell clinics. ये देखा है मैंने. वो अगर हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. But normally जो जितना I have seen and I have heard, you won't get a patient interaction कि आपका एक OPD chamber रहेगा, AC वाला, table रहेगा, chair रहेगा, and you will be seeing the patient like a general medicine resident do, like a general surgery resident do. वो आपको नहीं मिलेगा. पेशेंट इंटरेक्शन यहाँ पे there is a barrier between a patient and you, and that barrier is the main department consultant. Suppose if I'm receiving a request from a medicine department, so there will be a medicine JR in between me and patient, a medicine consultant in between me and that patient JR. So yes, आपका if you are thinking that you find that you need a patient, बहुत लोगों को ऐसा रहता है कि मुझे पेशेंट देखना है डेली. सो उस चीज के लिए ट्रांसफर मेडिसिन नहीं है. उस चीज के लिए यू कैन रिप्लेस ट्रांसफ्यूजन इट ए वर्ड ऑफ जनरल मेडिसिन, तो ही आपको मिल पाएगा. जब ट्रांसफर मेडिसिन में यू वॉन्ट गेट, बट ये जितना पेशेंट से दूर रहोगे उतना अच्छा रहेगा. क्योंकि देयर आर मेनी फैक्टर्स दैट आर इन्वॉल्व. So yes, if you here in our branch, you will be receiving a request for the procedure. You need to go to the patient, see the patient, and confirm whether to do the procedure. Mostly we do the procedure. So yes, there will be no patient interaction. It will be via. After going on the bed, you will be directly talking to patient in the ward, in the ICU. But yes, OPD जो setup नहीं रहता है, ward setup नहीं रहता है, कहीं कहीं अभी चालू हो चुका है. That's why I'm saying in 10 to 15 years it will emerge like the radio has emerged. It will be emerging branch, but abhi ke liye there is no OPD setup. So this is the major factor that will be an hindrance for maximum NEET PG aspirants.